Hello and welcome. It is Friday, the 31st day of March 2017. My name is Derek, and let's talk about Fibonacci upside, and let's do it within the silver chart, long-term time frame. This is the 4-month chart going back to 1968. Using exponential Fibonacci, you take the high, you divide it by the low. So 50½ divided by 127 to the power or the exponent of, in this case, 1.618, and you multiply that by the low, which gives upside Fibonacci at 491 within this range. Breaking that, you're talking, well, 19,000. That's getting a little out of hand. But I've talked about linear Fibonacci for quite some time in the past, not so much recently, where you take a range from a bottom area and you can work it for many levels. Within this case, the range in which I selected was the range between 4 and 8. This was a very big range for silver, roughly around here. So therefore, I can take high divided by low, which is 4, multiply the Fibonacci percentage numbers, and add the low of 4 towards each one. And these would be the results in which I'll be getting. So let's take a look at how each one is done, starting with 1047. Let's put a line roughly around where 1047 would be. And on the way up, there was no resistance. It later found support in here. When you don't find resistance or support where you're supposed to, watch it for a fast move to the next level, 1447. Roughly around here, which was resistance, and has most recently been found as support. 2094 is next, somewhere roughly around here. An area where it was resistance, where it broke out large from in here, and a little bit of support and resistance here, a lot of resistance in here. Follow that through with 3142, somewhere up here, which was actually short-term, very good resistance within its day, but very much good consolidation period amongst here. And then 4836, which, well, the high was 4981, so it was a hit. So these are the key levels that there happens that have worked really well within the silver market. And now just to find out exactly what was the low for silver, because I'm just curious now, it was in that area, 1447. Let's take a look in here. What do we have for a low? 1362, 1373. So it was exactly within that area. Or, once again, another perfect hit. So it tells you, just using these numbers in itself, that breaking this level, it's back to 32. Breaking 32, previous high twice hit at 50, and then breaking that, 75, 120, about 200, 300, and then 495. This one coincides with this one as well. 800 coincides within Cliff High's prediction, or what he's been saying for years, where silver has been going to go to. And you can follow that up with 1292 and 2100. So those are the key levels within the Fibonacci for silver. Thank you for tuning in to tonight's video, and have yourself a magnificent weekend. Sorry about that. Take care.